sense.
1149.
409.
11.8, 11.7.
409.
5,
11 one's in
14.
power. One's
I got
power.
14.
Yeah, 14.
We missed it. We missed it.
What, did I not say 14 back there? And you guys all laughed at me.
This is
Crap. Oh,
Should we go back up?
we're going to 14.
Do you want to get out and go back up?
welcome to the twilight zone.
We've been stuck in this elevator for a year. Can't get off.
Is this a Seinfeld episode?
This guy's like, I'm
Good
out.
move.
See you
Get
guys.
out of here.
I guess we'll go back down.
Save yourself.
Or it could be on the other side.
Is there 2 towers?
Well, it could be the other side. That's the other problem. Let's say 49.
11 is one.
Was it 09?
Side number 1.
Look, kids, Big Ben,
No,
Parliament.
no signs. There's no signs here.
Bye, guys.
Oh!
Hi, Big Ben, Parliament.